Hi all, welcome to the CA classroom. In today's video, we're going to discuss expected questions for CA Foundation Business Law paper for July 21 exam or whenever the exam is going to be held for those exams. Now, before we proceed, I want you to stay focused for the next 5 minutes because we're going to see something important for your exam. Now, let me introduce myself before I begin. I'm CA Karthik. I handle accounts and law at CA Foundation and intermediate level. Now, what we have done is for every topic in your syllabus, unit by unit, unit 1, unit 2, every subtopic wise, we have classified for the past 6 attempts from May 18 till Jan 21, how questions have been tested in the past and how they might be tested in the future. We had started this first with November 20 and then Jan 21. So if you see in the previous times, what happened for November 20 using this analysis, in the main exam, 50 marks out of 74 marks, including choice came. And in Jan 21 exams, 55 marks came. Now, whether this will continue, you will answer this by the end of this video based on what kind of analysis we have done. So one disclaimer I'm giving here is don't study only this, study everything, but give more importance to these topics. I will tell you why. Before we get into that, one small information I would like to share with all of you. We at the CA classroom, along with Insight Commerce Studies, what we have done, for those students who are writing exam in July 21, they will want to quickly revise. So we have provided quick revision videos for 6 hours, entire business law, then past exam questions, RTP, MTP, additional question discussion, 14 hours, and entire business law from first scratch. If you want to revise also, 60 hours videos, everything is provided in the description of this video. If you're not able to find it, you can WhatsApp on this number given here. I will provide you the details. Now quickly let's get into the pattern to understand how this works. For example, let's start with LLP Act, which will be easy for me to explain for you. If you take LLP Act in the past 6 attempts, except for essential elements of an LLP, no other concept has been repeated. Every time if you look at the trend, some new concept has been tested. November 20, LLP to be wound up by tribunal. Jan 21, unlimited liability fraud, section 30. So we can predict that they're always testing new concept. That means some more concepts are yet to be tested. So if you look at the summary and if you go to LLP Act, in LLP Act, what is there? Now, if you're finding it difficult to see in your phone, put it on landscape mode. It will be much easier for you to see. So LLP Act, I have disclosed all those concepts which are important yet to be tested, which might be tested in the coming attempts, like financial disclosure, effect of registration, whistleblowing, etc. This is for LLP Act. Let's see for Companies Act. Companies Act also similarly, except for a few important concepts like Section 8 company, lifting of corporate wheel, doctrine of indoor management, except 3 to 4 important concepts, majority of the questions are new questions which are tested for the first time, like definition of private limited company, government company, all of them. So same way, if you look at this in analysis, I have mentioned few important concepts which might be tested again. Doctrine of ultra vires, I have mentioned here. Lifting of corporate will I have mentioned here. But important questions which might be coming in your exam, dormant company. Dormant company, very important because they yet to be tested. So these kind of concepts I have mentioned here. Same way for every topic. I will show you one more thing. Unit 2, consideration, Indian Contract Act. If you see, first they asked agreement without consideration. Then in May 19, they asked privity of contract and exceptions. Then in November 19, they asked defined consideration and what are its legal rules. All the 3 possible questions are exhausted. They finished testing it. Now they are starting to repeat it. 2 times, last 2 attempts, they tested what? Agreement without consideration and what are the exceptions. So I can predict that in July 21 exam, this concept will not come. So if you look at my expected questions for unit 2, I have mentioned only the other 2 questions, doctrine of privity of contract and exceptions and legal rules of consideration. So same way this has been done for every single topic in your CA Foundation syllabus. For example, let's take last one more thing, unit 3, other essential elements of a valid contract, except for wagering versus contract of insurance, one time tested twice, and fraud versus misrepresentation once it's repeated. Every other concept, major concept, never been tested again. They're asking only new questions. So if you come to summary over here, where I'm expecting questions from unit 3, some questions which I feel might repeat, like again, whether silence does not amount to fraud, I have mentioned here. Apart from that, major concepts which are yet to be tested, I'm again mentioning it over here. Same way it's done for all units. concepts which are yet to be tested. This list will keep coming smaller, getting smaller, because every attempt they'll start testing questions, then repetition will start. So this trend might work out only for another 1 or 2 attempts maximum. For those chapters where it's already repeating, you cannot follow that trend. So I will be sharing with you this document along with this expected questions in the description. There will be a PDF link. Also, we will be sharing mock test paper and RTP question and answer discussion very soon for your exams. So stay tuned in this channel and share this with all your friends who are writing exam in July 21 exams. All the very best for your exams. Thank you.